Sen, hindi mo masasisi. There's no such thing as an easy song or a bad song. There are only people who can't do it well and who can do it well. Okay? Totoo ka, kung ihahambing yung kanta mo sa intensity sa mga ibang kinanta, whether kahit itabi mo yan sa kinanta ni Van, ni Boogie Wonderland, at saka ni Iñaki, at saka ni Miguel, yours is the lightest song. But it could have been done better. Again, Sen, ano naging problema mo?
OA.
Ha?
OA.
Ano sa tingin mo, Boogie? Natuwa ka ba nung nakita mo nagpa-perform si Sen? Totoo lang.
Opo.
Totoo, natuwa ka. Nagandahan ka.
Opo, kaso lang,
Yung kaso lang, ano?
nag-worry lang po ako kasi minsan nawawala siya sa notes niya.
Bakit? Bakit sa tingin mo siya nawawala sa notes?
Hindi ko, basta, yun lang pong careful. Kasi pag nagpe-perform naman siya, bukas naman po siya.
Totoo, sobrang bukas nga. Diyos ko, pati bituka niya, nakikita ko na eh. Oh.
Ang kinaanuhan ko lang po, may minsan parang hindi niya marinig yung nota niya.
Were you having problems with your monitor? You can't hear yourself?
When I was singing, I guess it was just so light, I didn't focus.
Miguel, ano sa tingin mo? Did you enjoy it?
So, naguluhan ako kasi ang galaw-galaw niya. Tapos yung zoom out shot nila, off-center na silang dalawa. Because nasa gitna na si Rachel, tapos nandito na si Hansen. Okay na sana yun, pero he had to go to the other side.
Yeah, Hansen, you again, the way I see it, yung nakita ni Miguel, it springs from the fact that there you are again, wanting to perform! Okay, but in your process of having to perform, you're not performing well. Okay, so let that be so. Okay, let that be so. You just have to be careful, anak. O prangkaan tayo. You're not the best vocalist here, but I like you a lot. Because I like working with you. I like your attitude and I like your disposition. But this is a contest. If you leave us on Saturday, I'm going to feel really, really bad. Because you are a good person. And regardless of what happens, Sen, I am going to help you. I want you to know that. Same with you, Van. I am just worried that maybe with your voice quality, you work best with groups. Because when you did that trio with your two friends here, you were a gem. But as a soloist, you're so heavy on yourself. You are so heavy and hard on yourself. But I want you to know, just like everybody else here and all your teachers, we love you. Okay? Even if that was a disaster. Okay? Alright. Next. Okay.
Bugoy.
Yes, Bugoy. Okay, let's watch Bugoy. Then we go into positioning. Okay, Bugoy. I'm so happy for this little man here. When I saw this performance, my God, I was so thrilled I got an erection. Goopy will be so proud.
Matigas nga, Bugoy.
Oo nga po.
Ano?
Yan o, iba yung kay Vina o. Ganun o.
Yun. Kita mo, sir? Kita mo yung... Di ba yung dangdaan?
Bugoy, mahal ka ni Vina.
Iba pa rin. Hit lang. Hit. Bitiw.
Hindi mo ikakailang ikaw pa rin.